Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to change the time and date on Windows 11. Alright, so as you can see here guys, this is Windows 11. And of course, in order to change the time and date, first thing you're gonna do guys is go ahead and you're gonna go to the start menu. So click on the Windows logo. Once you're in the start menu, go ahead guys and go to settings. Once you're in settings, you should be as seen here on this screen. And of course, if you look in the left panel, you'll see time and language. Go ahead and click on time and language. Once you click on time and language, over in the right panel, you should see date and time. Go ahead and select date and time. Once you select date and time, guys, you should see a bunch of options here. Make sure that set time automatically is off. And of course, if you look down here, it says set the date and time manually. So all you gotta do is hit change. And once you change over here guys, you'll be able to modify the date and the time according to what you need. So go ahead and hit change. As you can see here guys, this is the screen that will allow you to modify the date and time. So you can select the date, time, and of course once you have done that, go ahead and hit change. In my case it's okay, so I'm gonna hit cancel. And of course that's how you do it on your device. Just a bonus tip, in case you want to use the automatic settings, you can always make sure that your time zone is correct and the time will automatically update itself based on the zone that you have selected as your region or your zone. Otherwise guys, simply turn off the set automatic feature and of course change the time and date manually, and of course commit the change. And of course once you do that, everything should be okay. In my case, I'm just going to close this out. And that's how you change the time and date on Windows 11. The process is quite simple. If you have any questions concerning the time and date, you can ask them below. Please note as well, as a bonus tip, that sometimes when apps are not working or you're having other issues with your PC, especially with updates or so on, it could be because the time and date is wrong. And if the time and date is wrong, it can result in severe issues that might appear in other apps. All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here guys. So Ricardo saying bye guys.